Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Dope. I'm your host, Jean-Paul Gedeon, and today we talk about rest. Oh, rest. And why it's important. I know a lot of us like to work extra hard. Extra hard. Entrepreneurs themselves are notorious for it. Me, myself, I love to work throughout the day, the whole time. My brain is always working. That's just how I'm wired. It's not an effort for me to be in that mode. What is an effort though, is taking the time to rest. Because if we're not resting and refueling our body, we're not gonna be as healthy or efficient as we could be. Our minds may be cloudy. We may have to caffeine up, give a little power up with that coffee. But that's temporary. Energy shots, 5-hour energy, all of that stuff. Unless we're really getting a good night's sleep or, power naps throughout the day, however you roll, it's gonna catch up with you because there is something that's truly called a sleep debt. Google it, sleep debt. Sleep debt. It's a true story. It catches up with me all the time. Sometimes I'm up, my East Coast friends would be like, hey, how come, they hit me up on WhatsApp. Hey, how come you're up? JP, get some sleep. If I'm at 2:30, their day's already started. They're like 8 o'clock. They're like, get some sleep. I'm like, yeah, I'm just trying to get out these proposals. Rest. Take the time to rest. Take a quick power down, disconnect. It's super important. Super important. For all of us who are go. Don't stop. I love it. Don't stop the passion. Don't stop the energy. Go. Keep burning that fuel like a rocket ship, but give those engines sometimes cool off. You don't want to overheat. Burnout is real. Believe me, I've been there. I've burned out before. It's not good. It could lead to you being sick. Like straight up, you're going to get a sore throat, and then you might get a cold, and then you might get the flu. We don't want to get anything else. Your immune system gets affected. So like physiological consequences because of lack of sleep or lack of rest, it'll catch up. So that's a really short one today. Short one, a little short daily dope, a little daily dose. And it's just what the doctor ordered. Rest. For everyone else who has unfathomable energy, boy, do we envy you. Keep going. If you got that youthful power, rock and roll. If you're fired up, and you don't want to lose the momentum. That's one thing. I don't want to lose the momentum sometimes for myself because I'm just on it. I'm in the zone. I'm in flow state. I don't need to eat. I don't need to sleep. I'm kind of in that creative zone, or I'm just jamming through Excel spreadsheets or QuickBooks or reading through things. Do what you got to do. I'm not trying to give you advice. I'm just sharing my experience of what works for me and what I found does not work for me. All right, new section of the show, needs and leads. In the comments, go ahead or send me a DM directly with needs and leads. If there's something you need, you can let me know. You can put it in the comments. Other people can see it and maybe they'll reply to you. Leads, if you have any leads, things went out. Hey, someone is looking for a website designer. Someone's looking for an attorney, some company to hire for something. Needs and leads. I like this section. It's worked on the podcast where people have reached out for needs and leads and actually done some real deals, which you'll be seeing rolling out on the streets. Real deals, real business, real dollars. Put it in the comments. Let me know in a direct message. I'd love to hear about it. Doing a daily show like this has created so much opportunity. I recommend for everyone, start a daily show in a passion you have. I love to talk about stories in business. I love to talk about life, what I've experienced and share that. You may want to talk about making coffee. You may want to talk about growing plants, or you may want to talk about anime characters, cosplay kind of stuff. There's a lot of people who will find what you're doing interesting. You just may connect and resonate. It's created a lot of opportunity for me, and I'm just beginning. So everyone, rock and roll. Have a great day. It's Aloha Friday. That's why I'm wearing this Aloha shirt, my Aloha state, Honolulu, Hawaii. Represent. Oh. All right, peace. I'm out.